Hello, welcome back, Crypto Club, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I trade. So, what we're looking at right now is a Solana chart, and this blue line right here is the 21 EMA. And when you're above the EMA, you're bullish. When you're below the EMA, you're bearish. That's how it usually works. It's not 100%, it's usually 50-50 or 75%. Not always 100%. So today I'm going to show you how I usually trade. I have a video clip to show you earlier when I was trading. I tried to record but I didn't have my microphone in. But I'm going to replay the video for you and show you my mindset and what I think while I'm trading. Okay? So let's start that video up right now. So I've been trading Solana a lot. Usually I focus on one thing when I'm trading because I like to keep my focus on one thing. So right now I've been focused on trading Solana for the last month. And usually Solana, it goes up, 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 up. So I usually, normally 90% of the time, long it. I usually long it because it's going to go up. But today, it's different. And I'm going to tell you why. So usually when I wake up in the morning, my trading habits is drink a cup of coffee. You don't have to drink coffee, but my trading habits is I read social media. I go on X. I see what's all the cryptos are saying. What's altcoin daily saying. Well, today I seen that Gala got hacked. Spot Ethereum ETF possibly will be approved by the end of this month. A lot of chair empowerment and a lot of people speaking. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm in downtown Baltimore. Um, so yeah, so there's a lot of news going on, a lot of bullishness going on. But today, since Ethereum's going to have a spot ETF, Solana is taking a hit because everybody's selling the Solana to get Ethereum. Okay, so I seen that. I noticed that in the news. So I'm gonna show you how I traded today. This is how I'm gonna start the video. It's on 2 times speed, so bear with me here while I give you my mindset of how I'm thinking. So I set up right here. I see the 21 EMA. It has passed the 21 EMA. So what I say, when it passes it, be bullish. Okay. See up here, it's going down, and then it goes up. It passes it. See, it was choppy. It goes down, then it goes up. So I said, all right, look, it hit bottom. It has to go up. So I set in a trade at 177.65. Right now I'm setting my stop loss for 2-to-1 ratio, meaning I put in $100. If it goes up, I make $200. If it goes down and I get stop loss, I lose all my money. Okay, that's why you always put a stop loss. So you make sure you lose the money that you're only allowed to lose. Okay, like I said, $100. So that's why I set a stop loss. So if this goes up and hits $178.50, I'm gonna have $200. Okay, so we watched the trade. Like I said, this is 2x time. As you can see, this is today. Today is Tuesday, May 2024. May 21st, Tuesday, 2024. This is early in the morning. This is around 11:20. Okay. So, as you can see, my trade's going very well here. Very well. You can never time the market completely. I'm just, like I said, I just do data analytics. I analyze the data. Whatever the data tells me, that's where I go. The the 21 EMA said go bullish. I'm going bullish. The EMA is below it. It says go bearish. I'm bearish. Whatever it tells me to do, that's what I'm gonna do. So as you can see here, I got my trade. I basically made my $200. Okay. So I made my $200. Now what I'm gonna do is I take away $150. That means my initiative, $100 I bet, and $50, which is half of what I won during that trade. $150, and I put that back in my wallet, back in my portfolio. Right now, I want to take my $50 that I have remaining, and I'm gonna put it in my next trade. All right. Now, usually I don't trade right after. Sometimes I do. It depends if I'm feeling good. Sometimes I make one trade and I'm done for the day, or I make one trade during the day, one trade during the night. But right now I'm like, oh, the market is very volatile. I'm feeling myself. I really like this trade, so I'm gonna make another trade. So when I'm reading it, I look, I put a long. I said, oh no, that don't look right. That even though it's above the 21 EMA, that doesn't look right. I'm about to get liquidated. Look, I'm about to get liquidated. I didn't want to do that. So I say, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna short it. I'm gonna change it. I don't want it long. I'm gonna go short because that long didn't look good. So boom, I put in a long. I put in a short position. That means if the price goes up, I lose money. If the price goes down, I make money. That's the difference between short and long. Long going up, you make money. Short going down, you make money. So you can see I put my ratio as back to 2 to 1. So on this trade, if I successfully make this trade, I'm gonna be making $100 out of my 50. Basically, free money that I got from my last trade. Okay, half of the money that I made my last trade. So I put $50 to make 100 on this trade. My stop loss is at $178.34. As you can see right here on the on the right hand side, that's my stop loss. If it goes above that, I'm not gonna have no money at all. If it goes down, I'm gonna make good money. Okay. Um, I started trading probably around 2 years ago, but I wasn't really active. I was making like I was swing trading really, but now I've been trying to start day trading because I have enough liquidity where I have enough Bitcoin, enough Solana, enough this, enough that. I'm like, all right, now I have a little bit of money to play with. How am I going to make this money double instead of sitting in my bank and collecting dust? Also, like I said, I have a little joint. I'm looking at the Bitcoin prices here too. Screen watching it. That's another indicator. I watch Bitcoin too. What's Bitcoin doing? Like I say, okay, Bitcoin's going up. I know everything else is gonna go up. You know, but see this trade right here. I like this trade right here because I call it a reversal. Like I bet that it's gonna go up, and then I read the data and analytics, and I'm like, okay, a lot of people are about to start selling. I'll put a short, and that's exactly what happened here. Sorry, my throat, because I'm speaking a lot, but I put in a short, as you can see here, and the trade it's going like down a little bit, it's going up, down a little bit, but eventually we get to where it wants to be. See, look, there it goes. It's hitting down. I'm like, okay, good, good, good. I see that. I'm feeling more confident about the trade. I'm feeling a lot more confident about the trade. And you're not going to get every trade you think. Okay, like you might lose a trade. Don't get discouraged. Don't think, oh man, I'm a bad trader because everybody loses trades. I lose trades. The best trader you know loses trades. Nobody wins 100% of the trades. That's like telling somebody, yo, flip this quarter 10 times and get a heads every time. That's exactly like telling, that's like exactly like trading. You're going to flip it, get heads. Okay. I put $10 on heads, flipped it, got it. Cool. But see how the way I'm doing it, it's more like a weighed a weighed quarter or a weighed dice where it's like, okay, statistically, I flipped two heads, it's got to be a tails. I flipped two heads, it's got to be a tails this next one, and boom, it's tails. So, uh, flip it again. You know what I mean? But you never know, it could be tails again. That's a bad way to say it, but as I think, the more you practice at it, the more you'll get it. So as you can see, that trade right there was successful. I now have $100 from that 50. So like I said, I can do the same thing again. I can put, I'm gonna put 50 up and put 50 in this trade. I'm gonna keep it rolling. Now, since Solana's been going down, I'm gonna short again. I'm gonna short it one more time. Like I said, because it's below the 21 EMA, and that's the rule. If it's below, bullish. If it's above, bearish. I mean, if it's above, bearish. If it's above, bullish. If it's below, bearish. And like I said, there's been a lot of news coming out about Ethereum. So everybody's selling their Solana, and racking up on Ethereum because they think there's going to be a spot ETF, and they think the same thing that happened to Bitcoin is going to happen with the Ethereum. They think Ethereum is going to hit 5K, 10K once the spot ETF Ethereum comes out. And everybody's like, oh, Solana is just a thing of the past. No, Solana is going to be following it. Not today, not tomorrow, but soon. Soon Solana is going to be. But for right now, I'm sorry, Solana, but I got to short it. So I shorted Solana. And like I said, I made another $100. And this is just the way I do it. You don't have to do it the way I do it. You understand? Like, you can do it your own way. Like I said, you can just accumulate Bitcoin. You don't have to trade. But this is the way I like to trade because I already have enough Bitcoin. Not enough, but I already have Bitcoin, or I have Ethereum, or I have Solana. I don't have any meme coins. I do need to get meme coins. I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, for right now, I'd rather risk on because I tried meme coins, but it didn't really. It wasn't really my. I didn't. It didn't stomach me, bro. I ain't like that. I prefer at least trading where I'm statistically like, all right, cool. The knowledge I got, this is more of a better gamble than just putting my money in meme coins and like just going to sleep and waking up like, oh, my money's at zero, or oh, my money's at $1,000, but more or less my money's at zero. I mean, that's what happened to me, but hey, I'm gonna just be honest with you, you know. So right now Bitcoin's trading at $69,866 on the video I'm showing you now on this short. The reason why I have it sped up is like I said because if it was normal trading, it would be slower. But I successfully did this trade too. So that's 3 out of 3 trades for me today. But that's not just every day. Like I lose trades too. Trust me. I will show you my losers. But I'm just saying, like for right now, I just been winning. I've been having a good week. I've been having a very good week. So I figured I would record and show you my progress of what trades I'm making, what's my outlook, like how I make my trades, what do I look for, what do I look at, and it's really simple. It's just you gotta take your emotion out of it and really put to the data to work. Like statistically speaking, what's gonna happen. Like, but that's my thought. That's what I do. Like I said, this other trade right here, I just told you, but see, look, it just hit my take profit mark. If it did, yeah, it hit it. It hit my take profit mark. So that trade was successful. 3 out of 3. Very happy. Like I said, so I probably made like $300 or $250 out of that hypothetical situation. Maybe it was $1,000 each trade I put. You know, imagine if you put 1,000, you'd have had, you know what I'm saying, 2,500. But I'm just saying, that's just what I do. Um, Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching the video. But I have one question for you to do. So all my friends, family, like say, for instance, your dad came and was like, "Hey, son, I have $1,000. I want to invest in the cryptocurrency because I heard the market's booming. Um, what should I put my $1,000 in?" Like, so comment below what you would tell your father, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your cousin, your mother, your sister, like whoever. What would you tell them to buy in the comments? Like, would you tell them put your $1,000 into Bitcoin, all of it, or put 500 in Bitcoin and 250 in ETH and 250 in Solana, or put $1,000 in Solana and stake all your Solana and come back in 2 years? Like, what would you tell somebody that knows nothing about cryptocurrency in the comments below? What would you tell them? Hey man, I would do this. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. Have a good day. I'm out.